Hi, this is Brian from the Gutter Brothers, and I'm at my office here at 2 East Woodland Avenue in Springfield, Pennsylvania. I just wanted to take you for a quick, maybe 1-minute tour of our business, where we're located, kind of give you an idea. I'm going to turn the camera around. This is Woodland Avenue, right next to Nick's Roast Beef. Great roast beef, if you ever want a great roast beef sandwich. The ETR Middle School, the trolley station here. That's one of our trucks there. There's a few more trucks around back. That's the one that'll show up to provide you with your estimate. This is the front of our store and our business location. All right, and here's some of the pictures of some of the sporting teams in Delaware County that we've sponsored. Thanks to you patrons to our business. And I'll walk in real quick and just show you a quick inside pic, and then I'm gonna end the video. So it'll just be a quick. Here's our showroom, and as you can see, there's an array of gutters. When you walk in, you'll get if you're looking for a color, you'll get to see the color of the gutter in real time up on the wall. And these are some of the gutter guards we use, some of the certifications on the wall. When you walk in, Susan will answer your questions and get you set up for an estimate. That's where it all takes place right there. We have our assistant secretary over here. And that's pretty much it. There's some live demonstrations we can plug in and run some water and show you, some brochures for your taking, and a nice wall for you to look at here with some accolades on it. The one thing I wanted to mention, I'm really proud of this one actually. A flag was flown for the Gutter Brothers in 2007, it looks like, during Iraqi freedom, Operation Iraqi Freedom in Iraq. They actually flew a flag for us. I'm so honored by that. Our veterans flew that flag for us. We went out and helped the veteran. We felt it was our duty during that time to help these people. They were fighting a war, and this lady was getting ripped off. She was calling contractors, and they were overcharging her, taking her money, and we felt obligated to go out and help, so we went out and helped. While her husband was on the front line and she was home getting ready to have children, we took care of her gutters for her. And they felt compelled to fly a flag for us in Iraq, undeservingly, I think, but it was nice to have it anyway. So this is our office and some of our accolades, and you're welcome to stop by anytime, 610-328-5000 or the number 4mygutter.com. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.